Good afternoon, or better still, good evening to all of you, the lovers of freedom. Yesterday, we were seriously on a serious discussion because some of you who does not know how we got here will always jump in conclusion or say rubbish. It is not even matter whether you say rubbish or not. Sometimes it is those rubbish you say that make us know that yes, we are doing something. Okay? Many a time it is your rubbish that prove to us that we are really doing something. But keeping our record straight, we always come here to tell you how we started. So that tomorrow, you and your children and your children children and those who can gather one or two to compile it to make a book will know where to start and also where to stop. For the interest of those who are not in the Zoological Republic of Nigeria knowing what python dance mean, it is an operation carried on by a Nigeria armed forces against civilians, innocent civilians, claiming that they are a member of indigenous people of Biafra, because you assume without proof you are assuming. Now let me tell you something about the law. Do you know you do not have any right to execute any person unless you charge that person to court and the law find that person guilty and execute that person before you can execute that person? Are you aware of that? But here in Nigeria, they always declare shoot aside. Shoot aside. They will not arrest you, they will not take you to court. They will assume that you are evil and kill you. The world should take note. Here in the zoo, why did we want a separate state? Why do we want to be on our own? I've told you, if I should give you count of why Biafrans want to be an independent state, you'll be speechless. But it's a topic of another day. Yesterday, I asked a question and I've been going through the text. I haven't seen somebody coming with fact and figure of the accurate number of people that died or were arrested during Python Down 1 in Biafra land. The operation carried on by Nigerian military forces to kill innocent civilians. I haven't seen somebody that say 20, 30, 50, 100 Biafran youth were arrested or were killed. But do you know it's uncountable? Are you aware that it's uncountable? Those of you who are always jump. See, somebody was saying, what is my name? I don't always like to introduce my name. You know me, I'm Brother Holy Ghost. I am Brother Holy Ghost. So, what again do you need from me? I am Brother Holy Ghost because I'm a man. So, therefore, what I'm saying to you people is that, so, what do you really want to know my name for? The zoo know me. The zoo know me. When I didn't show my face, you were telling me to show my face. Why are you always hiding your face? You coward, show your face. Now you see my face, you are asking of my name. My name is Brother Holy Ghost. Are you not a Christian? And if you are a Muslim, my name is Alaji Holy Ghost. If you are a Muslim, my name is Alaji Holy Ghost. If you are a Christian, my name is Brother Holy Ghost. No two ways about that. So let me go back to where we were talking about. Can you give me the accurate numbers of people that die during Operation Python Dance 2? Operation Python Dance 2, can you give me the accurate Biafran that died during Operation Python Dance 2? Can you? Operation Python Dance 2, you cannot give the accurate Biafran that were killed. Do you remember that it was not just stopped there? There was Operation Python Dance 3. What about Crocodile Smile? All this was organized to reduce Biafran population. Some of you did not know this. See, Fulani knew that a day like this will come. Fulani knew that a day like this will come. And that is why they choose to minimize the population. And do you know all this operation was targeting the innocent youth? Youth from the age of 13 upward was what they are targeting. Why did they set up more than 30,000 roadblock in Biafra land? Why? Why is it that no single checking point is in the north? No single. Those of you who are in the north, go and verify. You know, we are always good giving you facts. When we say something, we tell you, go and verify what we are saying. Because some of you do not know that we are prepared before we come. And as I told them that we studied the mistake of our fathers, and we have taken an oath never to allow that mistake to repeat in our time. Now go and verify if there is any checking point in North where Boko Haram is decimated, destroying lives and property. No checking point there. No checking point there. And it is here that they set over how many thousand checking points. If you are a young youth, a young man, and you are moving by 8 or 9 alone, and you are a young boy close to where police on army checking point is in east, they will never see you again. You are a gunner. You are a gunner. Because there they kidnap young Biafra and they kill them. The purpose is to reduce the strength of Biafrans. But what they did not know is that they do not have idea that we are 100 steps ahead of them. If not Chukwugika Abiyama sent us, by now Fulani could have taken over the whole Biafra territory. And nothing idiot like this Nazi Shedon would do. Faceless human being. Faceless human being. God sent us come, and we came that we may do the needful. By now, they were preparing to launch another operation in the name of insecurity in the southeast. Who were the people that creating insecurity in the southeast? Can you remember? A lot of people have been coming crying how Fulani took their cow to their farm. The farm that spend their money, their time, cultivate. Fulani will carry their cow, go there and destroy all their crops. If they open their mouth, they will be killed. Any community that race against that act of Fulani in the night, Fulani and Nigerian terrorist army will go to that community, kill as many as they like, burn everywhere down. Is there any of them that have ever taken to justice or take to court or executed by government? No. Because the government of evil, ruled by evil, supported by evil. And do you see that we are overcoming them? And it's paining them all. It is not the way they thought. It is not the way they thought. But how do we get here? How do we get here? It's for you to know that we are not joking. That we are determined that Biafra will come. And so shall Biafra come. There is no two ways about it. Nothing you can do. If you want us to fight this war in 1,000 years, you will keep dying. Yes. If you want us to fight this war in 1,000 years, you will keep dying. But as I told you yesterday, let me repeat myself today. That at the end, you sit down on the round table and discuss about our exit. Yes. 2024 is not 1967 to 1970. We are different people. And as I told you that we are not our father, but we are our father's children. Yes, we are not our father. Our market. How do we get here? Always and always ask yourself this question. How do we get here? You tax us terrorists. In some of my video, I explained the criteria that make somebody terrorist. Just like the stupid idiot came here and say you are a kidnapper. Have you ever seen the face of kidnapper? Idiot that doesn't know about freedom fighting. Agents of the zoo. I do not have your time. Let me tell you this, so that you will be fully informed. Nigeria is benefiting from the oil from the east. And because of that, they have sworn never to let us go. That is one. Two, the Fulani also seen our area as a green land, good for their cow. And they now swear not only to take oil, also to take land. That was why you see them campaigning for Ruga land reserve. Just for them to take access to your land. I hear one idiot saying that since 18 something, Fulani have been in Imo State. I don't want to go down into that. When time comes, we will know. And that is why they say they cannot allow you to go. But this time around, we say, whether you like it or you no like it, we don't go finish. Your option doesn't really matter to us. Your option does not really matter to us. You want it in peace, good for you. You want it in force, by force, good for you. But anyhow, where you want, we are 100% equal to the tax. I've told you the times of crying that are killing us have gone. That time don't pass. They are killing us, so they are killing us, so we are just on ammo. What that time has gone. You are push us to the wall. And we are doing what the world know as self-defense. It's not a crime. By the way, should I stay in my house, my father's house, my land, and you carry weapon, leave your territory, enter my father's compound, want to kill me, and I will fold my hand and I allow you to do that? It is an abomination. In other way, all the crying we have been crying when you are killing us was abomination. And we have plead for the land, say, forgive us. We value the life you gave us. So therefore, we must defend this life, no matter what it will cost us. We love the land you gave us. So therefore, we must defend the land of Biafra by all costs. And when we tell you that we are fantastically in love with Biafra, don't joke with it. And we say our madness always start gradually, little by little. To you, it's a joke. To us, we mean it. You might say it's a play until your eye clear you. Because our eyes is on that ball. We cannot deviate from it. And there is nothing you can do. So go back and find out how it started. And then I will drop a question for you again this night. 2015, 2016. Do we carry gun? When you declare us terrorists, were we using gun? Even stick? You did not declare Boko Haram terrorists then. Oh, the people that carry gun, kill, bomb churches, bomb market, wreck village. You didn't tell them terrorists. You now look at innocent people, people that are advocating for their freedom. Advocating for their freedom. You now look at them and say, hey, you are a terrorist. Now the question I'm asking you is, were we carrying gun? Were we carrying gun? You came, kill us, even in the midnight, without warrant. Without warrant, you break in our compound, kidnap our parent, kidnap our brother, kidnap our sister. See, today, we do not know where they go, where you took them to. Many of them are dead and forgotten. by now. Police use that medium. Any small case, police will carry Biafrans and go and detain. Before you know, they will call 2 million. For what? What is the crime? He say joining illegal group. Say being an IPOB member become illegal group. Was it my crime to burn a Biafra? You say I'm illegal. Some of them who does not know the meaning of in IPOB, it mean indigenous people of Biafra. Now you say me being a Biafran become a crime. Was I the one that created myself? I'm a Biafran by birth. And you say me being a Biafran by birth is a crime. And you charge me for being a Biafran 2 million, 3 million, sometimes. Chineke God. What is my crime? And you were thinking it's going to be like that continually? When you oppress person, the oppressor, there is always a bounce back. You kill us at will. Look at our road. It's not, our motor cannot even operate freely. From pole to pole, police. From pole to pole, police. Installing money from us. It's not like that in the north. How many times police kill driver because of 50 naira, 100 naira in Biafra land? You people are easily always forgotten. We keep record because we will show you evidence when time comes. That ICC you are calling, when time comes, we will bring out our evidence, show them. How many times army kidnap the whole bosses, take them to barrack because of 200 naira? Are you not informed that there is in Obrize barrack there is where they store human parts that their big men have been selling and eating in Obrize barrack? You don't know anything. And when we tell you we have come to restore Biafra, where our children will not be intimidated, where our children will not live in fear, where our children will have sense of ownership, where our children will walk freely without worry of intruder. You think we are joking? You don't know anything. So therefore, I will tell you that what you did not know is greater than you. So, if Nigeria was good, let me give you this shock. If Nigeria was good for us, nobody could have think of Biafra. Yes, it shock you. If Nigeria was good to us, nobody could have think of Biafra. It is when you are not comfortable on where you are staying, the thought of relocation came to your mind. It's because Nigeria is not good. Nigeria is a zoo. Nigeria is not good for us. It's not good for any human being. I wonder if there is anybody that stay with Fulani and get peace. Fulani are animal. Fulani are animal. Fulani are not people that human beings should stay with. They are good in staying with cow because they have cow brain. The reason why we look for Biafra, we say we have to go back to where we come from, was because Nigeria did not favor us. It's not favoring us. It's not good for us. So why should we remain in a place that wish us death every time, kill us at their wish, destroy our life? Lagos is pursuing us. Abuja is pursuing us. We stay in Lagos. Yoruba kill us, pursue us, destroy our business. We stay in North, kill us. Do you remember that small girl? Who did they kill? Did anybody face judgment see now? And now we say, okay, the issue is that we do not have sense of belonging in another man's creation. Fulani own Nigeria. They are the managers chosen by the Britain to manage Nigeria. So therefore, let's go back to our own. And you are saying you can stop us? They never born you well. Now here you go die. Now here you go die. Come now. You're supposed to know us by now. The time when we never carry gun, we know they fear you. Even as you they kill us, we still march forward. We go out for protest today, you kill us. You arrest some of us. The next day we still go out for another protest, knowing fully well that you will still kill us, you will still arrest us, but we still go to another protest. We know they fear you that time, where we no carry gun. Now where we carry gun, where we go fear you. When we did not have anything to defend ourselves, we did not fear you. Now where we get something to defend our life, now we go fear you. They never born you well. Since where you they come with all your armor tanga, with all your machinery, how far? What? Post your achievement now. Post your achievement. Will they fear you? You never see something. You never see anything. So when we tell you that we are fully prepared for you, we are indeed fully prepared for you. I did not intend to go further than this. But I'm telling you that Chukwu Okike Abiama have determined that Biafra should be free. And whosoever that stand on the way of freedom will be crushed, no matter who you be. If you like, be my papa, be my mama. You are a dead person. I repeat, if you like, be my papa or be my mama, stand on the way of freedom. Again, freedom, you are a dead person. Nothing will stop you. You are a dead person. So, permit me to say good evening from the land of the rising sun. May Chukwu Okike Abiama guide and protect each and every one of you that are in support of this freedom until Biafra come. And Biafra must come in our time. We are not fighting this war to live for our children to continue. It can never happen. Over our dead body will it happen. And over our living body, we will allow it to happen. This fight must end in our time. We were not the one that started it. Our father started it. And we must end it. Yes, we must end it. So that our children and our children's children will never continue. May God continue to protect and bless each and every one of you that have make a lot of sacrifice to make this day a testimony. Our testimony continue. As he dey treat us, he go dey pain them. And he will continue paining them until Biafra come. Then go complain, complain tire. at the end, the table are already prepared, waiting for them to sit down and discuss our exit. From me, from the land of the rising sun, it is still good evening.